Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we are just received this from a Banquet. We will do a quick unboxing for this product. First of all, I will need to thank you Banquet sending me for this free sample to do a product review. This is actually a DIGOO USB charging electric brush for house cleaning. So we are opening and check what's inside. So this one actually especially for your households. So after open the box, we can see inside come with this user menu. The user menu is very simple. They come with 3 brushes, round brush and flat brush and pointed brush. And also they can bend about 80 degrees. So charging about 2.5 and usage about more than 1 hour. So this is a brush. This one can clean your washroom if your washroom sink and floor getting very dirty. So this type of brush you can simply wash it. And this is a holder to mount this brush. Also this is waterproof, so you are not too worried about the water go in. So this is a battery indicator. And you can see you can bend it. Press these 2 buttons, you can pull longer. So this is a range. We try to clip on and check and see. Just a simple turn. If you lock, and then you just press the power, it will turn. So quite simple and easy to use it. So here is the battery indicator. So the spring is quite strong. Now the battery is about, I think about a half, so we can try to charge and go for the here this is the charging port. So you just plug in this micro USB port into this, then you can simply charge it. Very easy to use. So just turn to unlock and change to another plate, and this is another brush. For household usage, very useful. So not too bad. Very easy to use. So we go for charge first, and then we will try on this washroom and see how's the performance for this electric brush to wash my washroom floor. Thank you for watching, and see you in a next upcoming video.